Alright, here we go. It's the 15-minute Auxy beat. I've got the timer on the left, set up to the microphone, and this iPad is now going to get set to screen record. No microphone. Alright, so 2, 1, 0. Perfect. Got the screen record here, got the audio and the timer here, and got the intro video on the iPhone. Maybe I'll just let that run for fun, count down the timer, have a couple options for video. Don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's run it. Here we go, counting down. So at the bottom here, I've got kick drums. These are just some basics that I like. Short kick drums. Here are the longer sustained kick drums. Here are the toms. Those are usually for fills. And then I've got the nice icy glass snare. And then the regular, I think I did some sort of programming on that. But if we get rid of all the delay and the low pass and everything, the pan, maybe a little bit of reverb, sounds like this. Nice strong wood block type of clacky clack. Alright, so down to 1344. So first of all, I'm going to go up to the bars, switch it from 1 to 4. That's about right. And then just find a beginning drum that I like. You know, we could go long or we can go short. Kind of depends on what you want to do. I like that, whatever. So you can think of a little melody in your head like boom, crack, or whatever you want, you know. Stick with the regular snare, so boom, crack, boom, crack. A lot of it's kind of trial and error, you know? Right? So, you know, follow this kick at the bottom. Don't like that. So maybe this needs to go over 2 spaces. No. There, how about that? No. Boom. Crack. Here in the second. Alright, whatever. So that's good for 2. So go back to 2 and then delete the rest. Now I'll go on a loop. That's fine. And so for now we can do the hi-hats. Just program in some basic 16ths. So now I can copy that to 4 and then do something at the last couple bars just to make it a little interesting. So maybe like a boom, crap boom. Yeah, just so it kind of like has a little bit of a interesting variation at the end. And so from here at the top, I'm gonna go from 16ths to 32nds and just do like a nice little roll on the hi-hats, and then maybe over here just do like a shorter roll. There you go. So there's that, and now you can use this other snare in the background, like a tuck. Bring it down, maybe pan it to the left, a little bit of reverb, less volume, low pass. There you go. 5 minutes down. Maybe put this hi-hat to the right a little bit, just to space it out, give it some more atmosphere. So now you can put the tom in. I like this. This one is a little more subdued. Doom doom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, right there. Kind of space it out. There we go.
Alright, that's cool.
So that can be kind of it. It's 7 minutes, it's about halfway. So go to the melody now. And lots of choices. Go to the favorites. You can check what you want here between lead, hard lead, pad. I like pad. Pads are spaced out. I like hero. Don't be a zero, be a hero. I really don't like that color though, so that's gonna be a problem. But what happened? Did I pick it? Oh, you gosh darn jerk. We want you. So done. Alright, ooh, I like that red. That's my favorite. So now, this is a melody right here. Random notes. And chords are when you take 3 notes, and they're so nice they've set it up for you on the left here already. So yeah, so you can set up a chord and arrange it like the whole bar, which is what I like to do. It's hard. That's clean. Let's set that up to 4 bars. We're gonna duplicate it. It's a little loud though, but we can fix that later. We're gonna want to get that down. Stretch it out all the way. Like so, and then we'll go back to 2, and then go back to 2, so I don't have to do it again. So now go to 4, repeat, duplicate. Man, I want it to go all 4 bars, and then the other chord is just gonna go repeat that. So what it's doing right here is when you copy it, you can like set it down anywhere and paste, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to grab it and bring it over to the end. So it's kind of tricky, takes a little bit of fine maneuver, but yeah. So 4 bars, 8, and now it's gonna copy that, so basically be perfect. Oh wow, hold on, 16? We can't do 16. Oh yeah, we need to take this and go down. Up here at the top, those little dots, it shows you what bar you're on. You can actually tap on them, which is really handy. So we're gonna take this down. Oh, that's hard as nails, 4 minutes. I know I'm gonna like this. So on the bottom right there, the loop, basically on the bottom left, there's your scene. And I don't know why that's so far over. That's crazy. Why is that? Who knows? Why is it all the way over there? It's really weird. I think it's because I don't have this set up to like 8 bars. 3 minutes. That should work. I don't know. I don't know why it's putting that all the way over there. Maybe it's a glitch, but it's cool. I think it'll be fine for now. I like low pass because it just puts it underwater. I might do like a little bit of a 3 minutes. Tight, I like that. So pretty straightforward. We're just gonna go in here and hit that same sound up, just to make it simple. Copy instrument. I'm gonna paste without loops. Go in here and just do some background melody. I like that first note. Real subtle. Turn that volume all the way up. Low pass off. Darn it. Worst favorites. Oh, stop it. Oh, not enough time.